Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for your support and being here on a daily basis and clicking that like button as well on a video. That's really important. Thank you, and thank you to all the Patreons as well. So right now, on the daily time frame, you have fallen under the EMAs. On the daily, you're hitting your head on the 55 at the moment. If you do continue to hit your head on that, this is where you're going to come down to a lower target. I don't think you've met the technical target yet of this horizontal that you're in for Cardano. So I do anticipate that this particular technical target will be met, and you can see it is pretty much down here where this swing low is. Okay, so do anticipate that the correction is not necessarily over for Cardano at the moment. Okay, and the reason is it's not necessarily because of Cardano, it's because of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's in a head and shoulders pattern. You're looking to come down a little bit more, and I think we might see one sort of last little roll putting in a larger C wave just here, because this is what we're anticipating. Since we're this high, and I said to you rolling over, I do think that you're putting in wave 1 and this is wave 2, and I said to you I think you're going to put in a wave A, B, a lower high, and you're going to come down to this particular level support here. I did say that to you. Okay, so from there to there, that's your ABC, and I think that potentially could be your bottom. Hopefully it is the low, okay, and it doesn't get that nasty and fall below that. You can see that it's a key level of support right there for Cardano, and what we need to be careful of, to be honest with you, if you start to do something like this, look, and start to do this, come down and bounce off it and put in a lower high, you're forming a big head and shoulders pattern, okay, and that would carry a massive correction, to be honest with you. If you was to lose that key level support right there after you put in the pattern, you could be looking at a whopper, you could be looking at entering the bear market right there. But I don't anticipate it. I think that Cardano is very strong. It's looking for continuation, just like Bitcoin, just like some of the other projects, but we do have to keep an eye on these patterns that do get formed. Okay, so if we start to come down here and bounce off this and start to pick up, we do need to come back up and break this high here, creating an impulsive wave to the upside, which I'm going to show you the target for in a moment. And that is just, you're doing something like it's retracing and continuation, because I do anticipate that what we're doing right now is wave 1, okay, and wave 2, 3, 4, 5 of elliott wave theory. We've got wave 1 here, okay, then we've got wave 2 here, like that, and then we're looking at a 3, and then we're looking at 4, and then we're looking at a 5, something like that for Cardano. Okay, and this is just part of the larger elliott wave structure. Let me show you. So from here, from this low, I'll drop it in really quickly from what I can see. So you're looking at something like this. Look, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Do you understand that? That's what I'm looking at from this capitulation low down here for Corona dump, just there. Start to pick up wave 1, wave 2 correction, wave 3, wave 4 pullback, wave 5 overextension just up here. I think we've got a technical target on the fibs of around about $18, I think it is, off the top of my head. Okay, that's what it is, $18. That's what I'm looking at for Cardano. I think it's the 1618 fib. I'm not sure. It's on a different chart, but anyway, you're looking good. I mean, even on the weekly time frame here, you can see you're rolling back to the 20 and you are holding its support. Well, you've not even actually come back to the 20, because you can see where the 20 is. It's on a technical target, isn't it? Just below it. Let's have a look. So yeah, it's just below it. So, theoretically, this is still really, really bullish. You come up, you're falling back to support, you're creating some kind of bull flag just there. Look, coming back, breakout. You'll have a technical target from there to there. You start to break out, on the weekly zoomed out perspective. Boom, you're looking at $4.25 just there straight off the bat. And another thing I can show you straight away as well, if we do come down to that particular level of support, the greater you retrace, the greater the impulsive pace. So if you was to come down to that white line just there, you will be looking at a $4.25 minimal price tag, and that is pretty much the bull flag that we've just drawn. If you start to break out a level of resistance wherever it is, boom, it's all patterns within patterns. So it's looking good. The only time it's not looking good is if you start to roll down and lose the 20, start to hit your head and do something like that, and then lose the 55, you're gone basically. And I've always said that to you. Okay, when you start rolling through the EMAs on the daily and you start hitting your head, you're entering a bear market. But Cardano is that bullish and that strong that this has got so much life left in it, to be honest with you. Yeah, so that's basically Cardano. You're looking for a retracement. I think you're retracing to this previous correction just here where you came down, because this is your low basically. You start to come up impulsively and you're correcting and you're coming down to the fibs. And like I said to you yesterday, if you also see a sort of deeper correction and you do start to lose this trend line, which I've not even given you the target of, I do apologise. If you do start to see that and you start to see more of a deeper correction for Cardano here, and you come down, put some cheeky bids on 177, because that's 050. That's a nominal retracement level, and you see the pick up right there. But it's so strong. Honestly, Cardano's so strong. Looking at this, it's so bullish. It really, really is a bullish chart to look at. to be honest with you. The RSI coming back down to mid-level, that's beautiful for continuation. You get that back down now to that white line, you know, you're flying. Get that stock RSI down a bit. The MACD come back down to earth a little bit. This is all gearing up for continuation, and you're looking at continuation of that fifth wave up to $18 right here for Cardano. Looks mega bullish, mega bullish, you know. Bull flag, look at that beautiful bull flag. Look at that bull flag just there, and everyone will shit themselves. Look, you come up like this, start to come back to a key level support, you created a beautiful little bull flag like that, and when you broke out the resistance, you don't even need me to draw it, but you can see you just went up and melted faces, didn't you? You know what I mean? So it's looking really good. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. You've got your levels of support right now and places to put cheeky bids in for Cardano moving forward. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.